Catch the longest play of the day so far for the Texans. Osweiler, too high, picked off! Intercepted by Jalen Ramsey. His first NFL interception, and he's still going. Ramsey taken down at the 25. Game with an injured ankle. It's Matt Castle, and he's picked off! Ramsey, touchdown! Now at running back. Flacco over the middle, diving attempt, picked off!
Roethlisberger second down and 10. They come up the middle and they have that ball picked up. Ramsey first and 10. Oh, they got around him and Backwheel and it's picked off.
Fakes to Davis. Going deep for Baldwin and it's intercepted.
Peterman from the gun. Here we go. Pass, tip, and intercepted by Ramsey. Wentz makes a move in the pocket for the end zone, and it's intercepted by Jalen Ramsey.
Backway is on the sideline, and Campbell.
Pass is intercepted.
Stop the run.
AB has scored a touchdown in 7 straight games. Here's the pass to the end zone, and it's Ramsey who comes away with it.